What's up, everybody? In this video, we're gonna bust open two Scentbird packages that I got here. I subscribed to them. I've been subscribed to Scentbird for over a year at this point. I love the service. I love the scents that I get, and I love how quick they are to get everything to me. So in this video, I've got 2 months of unboxings here to do for you, each containing 2 different types of colognes. Pretty interesting. So if you're interested in this kind of stuff, saddle up, boys and girls. Let's go check it out. Tell you is if you're on the fence and you're thinking about maybe signing up for it, use the link down in the description bar. It's going to give you a free month, so try it out, check it out, and see how you like it. But let's open this up and just get right into it. So every now and again, Scentbird will send you one of these little canvas bags here, and inside these canvas bags, you're usually going to find yourself a little container to hold your cologne or your perfume in. So throughout I would say almost 2 years now, I've been subscribed to Scentbird. I've gotten a handful of different colors. I've got blue, I've got a pink one, a silver one, a white one, I've got a black one. So I've got all different colors, and that's what's cool about the Scentbird packaging. I mean, this is something that fits in the palm of your hand. If you're a woman, you got a purse, it'll fit in your clutch even, those small little bags that girls have. And the cool thing is they pop right out. I use this thing. This is Kenneth Cole for him. You can see I really like this smell. I'm almost out of it. But with me, and I don't know about you, but with me, when I'm buying colognes, they're expensive, man. And I don't have $100 to spend on one bottle of cologne, because what if next week I want a different smell, a different scent, different seasons coming, I want to smell a little different. You mean to tell me I got to go out and buy another $90 bottle of cologne? No, thank you. So that's why I signed up here for Scentbird. And Scentbird basically gives you a 1 month supply of your favorite cologne or perfume, and you get to pick your colognes and perfumes. We'll take a look here. One of the ones we got in this package is Versace Eros, and the other one we got here is the Kenneth Cole for him. Like I said, guys, I'm almost out of it. I love that smell, so I had to make sure I got more. And let's see what this one is here, Kenneth Cole for him. So here we go. That's my re-up on one of my favorite scents. Gucci's another one that I like, the Gucci Black. And this one here is going to be scent that I have not smelled, Versace Eros. Actually, I have gotten this one before. This is another repeat buy. I got this one way early on. Very cool, very cool. I actually want to just remind myself what this one smells like here. So we'll give this a spray. All right, let's see what this smells like. Oh yeah. So this is it's like fresh, but it's kind of, I don't want to say old manny, because it's not old manny, but let's take a look at some of the smells that it has here. Green apple, vanilla, mint, tonka bean, lemon. Yeah, very fresh and light. It's a very light spring, early summer kind of a smell, maybe early fall when the leaves are changing. Perfect smell, perfect date night scent right here, Versace Eros. Now the Kenneth Cole, this one's a little bit fruity. It's got that jasmine, the citrus, the amber, so it's a little bit more manly, less soft, right? This is a little bit more harsher, but it's a nice little manly scent there. Very cool. So again, if you're interested in this sort of stuff, link's gonna be down in the description bar where you can get a free month of service on me. It's a very good deal. I think they charge, I wanna say $15.99 a month, something like that. I don't even remember. Now this one here, Dolce Gabbana light blue pour home. Don't know what that is. Mandarin, rosewood, grapefruit, pepper, and incense. So this one's going to be a little bit more on the musty side with the pepper and the incense in there. And then I've got a Kate Spade. This one's for my fiance. This is the Truly Dazzling Smell. Now this one, she got this in a mailing thing and smelled it in like a catalog or whatever, and was like, yeah, we need to get that. So we got her the water lily, the La Marina, Death Valley salt, and some minerals. So I'm not gonna spray this. I don't want to smell like truly dazzling. But the cool thing with Scentbird is it's not just colognes, it's not just perfumes. They have candles, they got creams and lotions, and just go check them out. Scentbird.com. You can check them out. Here is the Dolce & Gabbana light blue. And they'll come in these cardboard tubes after your first month when they give you one of these guys here. And you can always add on extra ones. But they'll come in these little cardboard tubes shipped just like that. And then this will be the girls one. This is the Truly Dazzling Kate Spade. So again, guys, this is a 1 month supply of cologne or perfume. And they say a 1 month supply if you're spraying 4 squirts per day. I don't know about you, but I don't drown myself in this stuff. So for me, one of these containers will last roughly 3 months, sometimes even more, depending on how frequently I use it. Like I said, I've been subscribed to Scentbird now for a very long time, so I've got a huge stack of colognes and perfumes for every single possible scenario. That's one of the things that I love about Scentbird. Once you're signed up for Scentbird, you typically you're gonna get 1 per month. You can sign up to get 1 per month. But I upgraded my package. I get 2 per month now, you know, 1 for me and 1 for my fiance. You can get 3 or 4 or 5, however many more you want per month. They'll do that for you. You can mix and match as well. So maybe you got all the colognes that you want for now. You're good on that. You want to get some lotion or you want to get a couple of candles. You can do that. Just throw that in your cart and they'll mail it out to you. No harm, no foul. But that's really all I got for you guys in this video. If you want to see more unboxings like this, more reviews on products that I love, make sure you put your comments down there below and click that subscribe button. Make sure you have the bell icon checked off, because without that bell icon, you're never going to be notified of my new content. But that's it, everybody. I'll talk to you again real soon. Peace out, YouTube.